So today we are going to bead letter C, and I'm going to use the white and the red bead I used for the previous ones. Okay, so now let's start with 4 bead. I'm stringing all these 4 bead on the line like this. Okay, now I'm going to hold the first one, cross my right line into it and pull down. Again on my right and the left line, okay, on each side of my line I add white to the left, red to the right. I add white to the left line and red to the right line like this. Okay, then I'm crossing into the red bead and pull down. Crisscross both ends of the line into the red bead like this. Hold the lines together and pull down. Again on each side of my line, white to the left, okay, white to the left line, red to the right line like this. Then I cross into the red bead and pull. Crisscross, hold the lines and pull. Okay, again we are going to repeat the same on each side of my line. White to the left line, okay, white to the left, red to the right, and now this time we are crossing both ends of the line into white bead and pull. Okay, into the white, hold the lines together and pull. All right, now again on the left line I'm adding 3 white bead to the left line. Add all these 3 white bead to the left line like this. Hold the last bead and cross the right line into it and pull. I'm going to flip it over to my side. This is how it looks like. I flip it over to my side. Now my left line, I add 1 white and 2 red bead. I cross into the red bead and pull. Okay, my right line into the next bead. Pull through next bead. And on my left line, I add 1 white bead and 1 red bead. I hold the red, cross my right line into it and pull. My right into the next bead. Pulling the right line into the next bead, alright? And on the left line, I add 1 white and 1 red. Hold the red bead, cross the right line into it and pull down. My right line again into the next bead. Pull through next bead. Now my left line, I'm adding 1 white and 1 red bead. Hold the red, cross the right line into it and pull. My right line again into the next bead, which is the last white bead over here. Okay, now the same line, the right line, I'm going to turn. Okay, so the right line I add 1 white and 1 red. I cross the left line into the red bead and pull down. I'm going to flip it over to my side like this. Okay, so now my left line again, I add 3 bead, 2 white, and I put red bead in between the 2. Okay, cross into the white bead and pull down. Now my right line into the next bead. My left line, I add 2 white bead to the left line, cross and pull down. My right line into the next bead. And 2 bead to the left line like this. These 2 white bead, cross into the bead and pull. My right line again into the next bead. The next white bead, okay. Now again, I'm adding 2 white bead to my left line like this. Cross the last bead with the right line and pull. My right line again into the next bead, which is the red bead over here. Okay, on the same line, the right line, I add 1 white and 1 red bead. Okay, I'm going to drop this red over here too. Okay, we are going to turn. Now I cross into the red bead and pull. And this is how you bead letter C. Okay, this is very simple and easy to bead. Okay, this is how it looks like. very cute, very beautiful. This is the letter B we did previously, and here is the C. Okay, a beginner can make this. This is how simple it is to weave the C, letter C, into your bead. Okay, thank you for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial helps you so you can bead this letter C yourself. Please don't forget to check the description box down below for the link to the bead shop. Okay, I thank you for watching. Thank you for your time, and please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also, turn on your notifications for new videos that I'll be uploading so you don't miss on it. Thank you for watching, and I see you in the next video. Bye.